Tired of endless distractions derailing your focus? Let's take back control and boost your productivity by adding the block site extension to Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can quickly find it by simply searching Chrome Web Store in Google. Once you're in the Web Store, type block site in the search bar located at the top left. Find the block site extension. It usually has an icon with a shield logo. Click on the block site extension and then click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. After a brief installation, you'll see the block site icon appear in your Chrome toolbar, usually located to the right of the address bar. Clicking on the block site icon will open its settings here. You can type in the URL of any website you want to block. For example, let's type in a website for social media and select Add. Now, if you try to visit that website, you'll be redirected to a block site blocking page. Block site also has advanced features. You can block entire categories of sites, set up password protection to prevent yourself from disabling the block, and even redirect blocked sites to something more productive, like a work project.